To complete this assignment, you are going to need to show a collection of coins that has a certain value. The coins that are at the bottom of your slide are draggable, so you can click them and drag them to the top to show the value that you're given. For example, this says, show a collection of coins that has a value of 83 cents. So I can use my coins in any way that I want to as long as it shows 83 cents. I'm going to start with a dime because I know dimes I can skip count by 10. So here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So far I have 80 cents, but I need 83 cents. If I use a nickel is worth 5, and that would be 85 cents, which is too much. So I'm going to use a penny. So I have 80, 81, 82, 83 cents. So let's check and make sure that I have 83 cents. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. 83 cents.